right, so we've got a pretty good group gathering here. Banks High School. We're going to be doing the Banks-Vernonia Trail today. Gorgeous morning.
Still a few of us that aren't riding with the
We've got Jay with his hand and foot cycle. Very unique. Myrtle's ready to go.
It's all.
I think we're going to be gathering for a photo shoot here. We got Banks police making sure that we're following the rules.
All right, the Banks-Vernonia ride has started. All right, let's go.
Oh, I don't even have my helmet on. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go.
Oh my God, that was so funny. I'm like riding away with everybody out of the Banks High School parking lot to start this ride. And I thought, you know, something's wrong. Something doesn't feel right. And I completely forgot to put my helmet on. So I just went back, did a little U-turn, got my helmet on. So now we're really ready to go. Okay, so we haven't gone very far from the Banks High School to the beginning of the trail. This is actually the trailhead, and there's a bathroom here, so we always stop, and when given an opportunity, you should probably take it. We'll be getting going pretty quick here.
So I wanted to explain a little bit about this trail. This is the Banks-Vernonia Trail. There's a trailhead at Banks, another one at Vernonia, and it is 22 miles long. It's an old rail trail, and our group always takes this ride from Banks to Vernonia. It's uphill, maybe a 2% old rail trail grade, and there are lots of restaurants in Vernonia, so we will stop there for lunch. I think there's more than 20 of us today, so we've got a really good group. And this is a memorial ride that our friend Kirke Johnson started. He started this ride probably 20 years ago, and he was actually killed riding his bike. I don't know exactly when, maybe 5 years ago. And we are riding with his wife, Kathy. Oh, this is the 6th year. Okay, 6th memorial year. And we also recognize Marilyn Hayward, who was a monster rider and owner of what is now Recumbent PDX. And this is always a popular ride. We always get a good turnout. And the weather is good. And it's just a lovely trail to ride, and we always look forward to it.
a gaggle of trikes here stopped. Hey, Chuck. So what's happening here? What happened?
Take a look. Come look.
Oh my gosh!
It broke right off the frame. Look at it.
It broke right off the frame where it attaches to the other Hase. Oh, this is major.
This is a major mechanical.
Like that's
that
not
piece is still sitting
that's
in
not
there.
something that you can just repair and keep going.
No.
Edna, the tow trike, coming to the rescue.
Yeah, there we go.
Well done. Well done. Good thinking. Improvising. Okay, we've only gone like a couple of miles and we're already down 2 people. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of drama. But they are gonna drive into Vernonia and meet us there for lunch. Okay, so there's just a few of us that stayed behind for the mechanical, and there's a number of trikes, and there's one two-wheeler. Anne is riding the two-wheeler and she's unassisted, so we put her at the head of the pack to set the pace, and she is moving right along. She's got 14 miles an hour. And even with assist, I never ride that fast. Yeah, this trail is just loaded with blackberry bushes and they are ripe. But they've been picked over pretty well, so a lot of the berries are a little bit higher now. Oh, I found a bunch that are in reach. Oh, I hear sirens. It's not good. Makes me think there might be a fire brewing. But yeah, let's just pop these babies right in my mouth. Right like that. Like nothing to it. So good. Oh no. Hearing a lot of sirens. Okay, nice little snack. And I think we got to get back on the road. Better start riding if we're going to get where we're going. Okay, so after my snack, I better check my teeth, make sure I don't have any blackberries in my teeth. Oh, it's so busy here, my goodness. Gotta get our masks on. Oh, we got horses. We got horses on the trail. Oh my gosh, it's always so special to see the horses. What's your horse's name?
Romeo.
Romeo is gorgeous. And what is your horse's name?
This is Bud.
Hi, Bud.
He says hi back.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Have a good ride. We got a crosswalk here for horses, bikes, and people. Where's Critter?
Right here.
Oh.
On the other side of the bench.
Oh.
Being inobtrusive.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm not Mama. The other one's Mama.
There! Who's that? That's Sylvia? Looky there!
Oh, here we come to the hairpin turns. So this is where there used to be a trestle bridge for the train, and the bridge was taken out and it was not replaced for the bike trail. And so they've got these hairpin turns that go first down. So that porta potty was stinky, and I was really grateful to have my mask on. Oh my gosh, that was really something. Stinky porta potties. Triker on the trail. Hey, having a good time out here?
Oh yeah.
Great.
Are you the Travels by Trike?
I am. What's your name?
Carl Green. I've put stuff on the web or the Facebook page.
Oh, fantastic. Really nice to meet you, Carl. Where are you headed?
Back to Manning.
Back to Manning?
I got
Meow! Meow! Meow, meow! my buddies.
Gave me a pinch flat.
Oh, you got a pinch flat.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Some nasty ruts up ahead.
Oh, there are. Like, you can be airborne on some of these ruts.
Yep.
Wow. Well, nothing you haven't done before.
Yeah. Done before.
All right, see you back at the ranch.
Okay.
Okay, so we are coming into Vernonia, halfway point, turnaround point for this ride. And what's really nice about this town is there is a number of restaurants and places to eat to choose from. There's a bakery, a Subway, a couple of brew pubs, Mexican, pizza. But my favorite, the place I always go, is the Blue House, and it is run by a family from Greece, and they just serve this fabulous Mediterranean food. And I always look forward to stopping there and eating a meal when we do this ride. All right, so we've had a great meal, lovely food, wonderful company, and now we are back on the trail, Banks-Vernonia. The return trip, and a lot of this now is going to be downhill, so it'll be pretty quick. Hi there. Hello. Hello, hello.
So this part of the Banks-Vernonia Trail always reminds me of the Camino de Santiago and the Camino Frances going through La Meseta. Just can't eat fast enough. Hi. Oh, so funny. Goodies on the trail. See you later. All right, so we've just had a wonderful ride on the Banks-Vernonia Trail, about 44 miles on a beautiful, beautiful day. And we're just finishing up this ride. Kathy's just behind me. Dave and Edna are a little bit further down the trail. But I think pretty much everybody else is probably packed up and left by now. And yeah, we're back at the high school where we're all parked. All right, so we have finished up our ride on the Banks-Vernonia Trail. It was another fantastic ride with the Pacific Northwest Recumbent Cyclists. And I hope everybody remains safe and healthy, and you can get out and ride. And as always, thank you for watching.